Hello everybody, my name is Emma and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be taking off these knotless braids. I have had them for 4 weeks now and it's about time I take them off. So I'm just gonna first take my scissor and then cut them off because these braids were very long. So what you need to be careful when you are cutting them off is you need to cut further away from your hair. You don't want to end up cutting your own natural hair. Now after cutting them off, I'm taking my tail comb and then using the tail part, I'm just going to slowly work through and doing my braids just like that. Now this process, you guys, took me I think about an hour and a half because I was doing this all by myself. I didn't have anybody to help me, so I had to go and look for a comfortable place and sit and get really comfortable and slowly taking out my braids. I usually, when I'm taking out braids, I like to do this first thing in the morning or at night before I go to sleep, but today I decided to do it first thing in the morning. So yeah, after a while I'm done now. What I need to do before I go into washing my hair, it is to detangle my hair. Now I had prepared aloe vera juice before I started, so this is what I'm using as my detangler. I'm just applying my aloe vera juice, and once my hair is well saturated with the aloe vera juice, I love to first detangling using my fingers. So yeah, I do finger detangling first, just working through using my own hair slowly and gently. You don't need to be rough with your hair. Now my hair feels pretty much stronger. I think this is because I've been using rice water juice. Every week I do a rice water rinse onto my hair and my hair has been feeling very much stronger. And last month I did a protein treatment. It really feels much better compared to what it was after I bleached my hair. So after finger detangling through, I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and just work through as well, detangling. Yeah, first you start through the ends and work your way up. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I've noticed also there is very minimum shading. Now I'm done detangling. I'm going to be using this shampoo. This is from Organic for dry and damaged hair shampoo. So now that I've done washing my hair, as you can see, very minimum shading. As I said, I really have been loving rice water. So yeah, this is how I take off my braids, you guys. I will see you in my next video. I love you for watching. Bye.